In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a curvy layered background in Canva. This is perfect for presentations, social posts, or thumbnails when you want a modern, organic feel without spending hours drawing shapes from scratch. Start by opening Canva, logging in, and clicking Create a Design. Pick the size that matches your project, like a presentation slide, an Instagram square, or a thumbnail. A blank canvas will open, giving you a clean space to build your background. Next, head to the Elements tab on the left. In the search bar, type keywords like abstract shape, blob, wavy shape, or organic shape. These terms will bring up lots of smooth, curvy designs. Choose a style that fits your vibe. Solid shapes work great for bold color blocks, and simple curves are usually easier to layer cleanly. Click any curvy shape you like to place it on the canvas. You can drag it to where you want it to sit, and if it's too small or too big, you'll fix that in a moment. Think of this first shape as your anchor. It sets the tone and color direction for the rest of your background. With the shape selected, click the color tile to change its color. Pick tones that complement your brand or the mood you're going for. High contrast colors add energy, while softer tones feel calm and minimal. If you're layering multiple shapes, plan on 2 or 3 colors that work nicely together. Now, resize, rotate, or duplicate the shape to start building your curvy background. Drag the corners to scale it up so it bleeds off the edge for a clean, designer look. Use the rotate handle to angle it slightly. Small rotations look more natural than perfect symmetry. Duplicate the shape to create variations, then adjust sizes and angles so they don't look identical. Leave some open space where your main content will live. Add more curvy elements for a layered effect. Mix a few shapes, overlap them subtly, and vary the depth and size so the composition feels dynamic. Keep balance in mind. If one side feels heavy, add a smaller shape on the other side. Finally, if you have text or images on the page, select a shape, click. Position, and choose back to send it behind your content. If you need finer control, use the back option repeatedly to step shapes backward until the layering looks right. That's it, an eye-catching, curvy background built quickly and cleanly in Canva.